So welcome to this session everyone. My name is CA Rahul Kumar and in this session I will discuss the paper 1 of Commerce and Accountancy optional mains 2023 analysis. So we will do the analysis of the mains 2023 Commerce and Accountancy optional paper. Okay. So this paper was conducted in the last week of the September 2023 and we will analyze what is the level of questions. Is it moderate, easy or difficult? We will discuss is the question new or is it from the previous year. Okay, so that is also our perspective. And third, we will discuss what is the source from where you can find the answers. Okay, so your perspective of listening to this session should be that is the question coming from the previous year? Is the question easy or moderate or difficult? And where can I find the answer? Okay, so let's start. So we are discussing the paper 1 of mains 2023 commerce optional. Now, starting from the first section, so I have divided this question subject wise. Financial accounting, right? So financial accounting is part of the section A. Now, in this case, the first question is what is meant by buyback of shares and what are the reasons as well as the sources of buyback. This question is from the topic of buyback of securities. This is our syllabus in the with the name of share capital, right? Issue of share capital in the financial accounting. Now this is a 10-marker question, right? This is a 10-marker question, easy question, direct question, easy question. The same question was repeated in 2019. That means if we go through the last few years questions, they also provide us lot of questions, right? Now, where can we find the answers? So, in the Diademy IAS mains test series of 2023, in the sectional test number 7, which was dedicated for the financial accounting, we asked a simple direct question about the sources. Okay? Apart from this, the reasons and the meaning we can find in the study material of the Diademy IAS. Okay? See, we should be getting some questions directly from our study material. Okay? And if we are practicing some test, the questions should come from that test. That is the benefit of test series. Okay? So those students who have been following our test series, they definitely get a lot of edge in this paper. Now, next question is question number 1D. Briefly explain the accounting treatment of government grants as per Accounting Standard 12. This question is from the accounting standard, right? And again, this question is 10-marker, compulsory question, easy. And this question is being asked first time. This is a new question. And fortunately, we get the same question in the mains test series of Diademy IAS. So here, the question that we asked was about the refund of government grant. Okay? So this question was asked in the full length test 3 of the mains 23 test series. See, basically, if we are asking some question in the test series, we are asking that because that theme is very important for the exam. So if you are attending the test series, then whatever question we ask, you should completely prepare that topic from all the perspective, because we might be asking one perspective in the exam, but in the UPSC, they will ask same perspective like they did in the case of buyback, and they might ask some other perspective like they did in the second question, right? Now, next question is the numerical question, and this is about the internal reconstruction of the companies. This is also a repeated theme, and this was a numerical, but this was a hard in the sense that it was lengthy. Hard, not that you cannot solve, it's not like you cannot solve, but it was a bit lengthier. Okay, you should practice this type of question in advance, or you can leave this type of question in the exam and you can choose some other question. Again, this is a repeated theme. 2018, the similar question was asked. In our mains test series in sectional test number 7, question number 4A was on the same theme. See, in the numerical question, we will not find the question from directly any source, because they will change the numericals, some figures, okay? But theme, the nature of question, the treatment, the accounting entries are same, okay? Next is The question, again, this is a numerical question. This question about the accounting of share capital transactions. This is 20 marker, moderate question, and this is attemptable, okay? Attemptable, and this is 2016 question. Same question repeated in 2016. Again, we have asked the same question in the full length test number 1 of the mains 2023 test series, okay? And also in the sectional test number 7, we asked one more question on the same theme. Because this was very much predicted this year. This theme was very much predictable. From many years, they were not asking about the share capital. So this year, this was very, very predictable theme, okay? So fortunately, all the 4 questions, we are able to trace back to our mains test series. This is not a coincidence. This is a intelligent guessing, okay? So when we make the test series, we predict the question for that year based upon the last 45 years trend. The UPSC is repeating its trend and we are just following that trend, okay? So it is not a coincidence. We are not astrologers. We are just experienced people and we apply the intelligent guessing, and if you trust on that, then definitely you will find this magic happening in the exam hall, okay? Now, next is cost accounting. In the cost accounting, question number 1B, this was a very basic question. What is the relevance of cost accounting in the emerging economic scenario? This was from the chapter number 1, the nature and the functions of cost accounting. 10 marker, compulsory question, easy question. Same question repeated in 2018. And in our study material, we have given the answers in the form of functions of cost accounting on page number 2, right? So this answer we can prepare from the material, study material of the Academy IAS. Our material is very well researched and exam oriented. So from the page number 2 only, you get the direct question. This is not again coincidence, right? This is very, very predictable pattern. Now the next question is regarding the numerical of marginal costing, the indifference point. They asked the indifference point. This is 15 marker, easy question. Same theme was repeated in 2022. That means the immediately past year. So we can say that we should not leave the immediate past year themes. Sometimes we think that if I practice the same question which were asked in the last year, then it is not going to benefit because it is not going to repeat. But these type of questions show that this can be repeated, okay? We discussed this question in the classroom, okay, and we solved the mains 2022 question, and otherwise also there are numericals available in our study material on the same topic, okay? Now, next is the process costing question. This was also the numerical question and 20 marker question. This question was about inter-process profits. This question was hard in the sense it was lengthy and bit complex, that you need to apply you need to apply very high alertness in the exam. There can be minor mistake, okay? Silly mistake chance बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं. So from process costing 2018 question came, and this question we have given problem number 2 in the study material, and we discussed extra question in the classroom, exactly same question. In the month of September 2023 only, we had a class, and previously also in the other batches, same question, exact same question we repeated. So, question will come from whatever we are studying, our study material, our test series, okay? But we have to practice it, we have to completely focus on completing the syllabus with the proper quality. If you just complete the syllabus with proper quality, every question is in front of you and marks are in your hand, okay? Next is question number 4B. Question number 4B was the was the theoretical question, and this question was about the performance evaluation of a division. They asked a very specific method, that is the rate of return method and the residential income method, okay? So these are the methods of divisional performance, right? So we have already asked the question, okay? This question was 15 marker in the exam, and this was moderate difficulty because normally they ask the methods, but they don't have the specific method. This time, they have pointed out for the specific method, okay? For the specific method, that is the residential income versus rate of return. Okay, in our test series we have asked this question, that is the methods of measuring the divisional performance. Okay, one thing I want to tell you, that whatever question we are asking in the mains test series, those are already in the study material and also covered very thoroughly in the classroom. Okay, so in our classroom we discussed every concept with scratch, whether you are from BCom background, from BBA background, from MBA or from CA, you will get every concept from scratch, and we will have exam oriented discussion. That is a one-stop solution. So if you have time, you can go for that. Otherwise, if you are following self-study pattern, then if you follow our resources, okay, the resources are number one, study material, that I am pointing out, questions are from study material, mains test series, and third very important resource is the previous year question, because previous year question they're asking, in fact same question of the divisional performance, this was asked I think 15 or 16 में question पूछा था, I don't have remember exact year, but it was in 15 or 16. Okay, every question is from the previous year theme. So the one important source that you must have is solutions to all the previous year questions till 2023, starting from 1979. So 45 years previous year solution you must have. And we are providing you systematic, topic-wise and detailed, which will help you understand the concept clearly. Whether it is theory or numerical, we are providing you all solutions of last 45 years from 1979 till 2023 in the question answer booklet format. Okay, this is available in the hard copy. This also happens to be the mains very, very important source. Okay, so if you are going for the classroom, then you get everything that I am talking about: study material, tests, and the PYQ solution, and discussion also, and mentoring also. But if you are going for the self-study, then you must have the study material, you must have the test series, and you must have the previous year question solution. If you cover these three things diligently with proper discipline, then you are again going to excel in the exam. Now, the next topic is taxation. Taxation, the first question was about the clubbing. The NSSE is only liable in respect of its own income, not only liable for its own income, but also the income of other people. Okay, that means the clubbing chapter. Again, it was a very simple question, direct question, repeated multiple times. Okay, one thing I can tell you, that the questions are being repeated from the last 6 to 7 years. More questions are coming from last 6 to 7 years. So if you have the last 5 years question paper with the solution with you, then 70% questions you will find in the exam from the same last 5 to 6 years paper. Like from 2018, a lot of questions have come in the 2023. Okay, and not only that, a lot of questions are also coming from very far back from 1980s. I will show you. Okay, so if you have a 45-year solution, then 100% paper is in front of you. Okay, same question we asked regarding the minor and wife income clubbing in the mains test series of sectional test number 8. Next question was about the residential status. Very favorite question of UPSC. You can see so many times it has been repeated, and in our sectional test number 8 of the dichotomy test series, the same question have been, similar question was asked. Okay, here they were asking about the relevance as well as how to determine. We were asking about the how to determine. Okay, next question is about the calculation of income from house property. This was a numerical question, 15 marker question. Level of difficulty was moderate. This same question came in 2020, and in our mains 2023 test series, the house property theme was there. Same, like not same question, but similar question. We asked a question about house property, multiple house properties, and calculate the income from house property. Same question came in the mains exam this year. Okay. Then next question was about the theory of gratuity and leave encashment at the time of retirement. This question you will find in the study material of the dichotomy IAS, page number 65 and 66, leave encashment and gratuity. Okay. Again, all the questions we can trace back to the dichotomy IAS test series. I am promising you can check. You are already a student, then definitely you have the material and tests you can check. If you are not a student, then I am telling you that this is true. Okay. So taxation, the question came for 55 marks. Financial accounting also 60 marks, cost accounting 60 marks. So taxation, cost accounting, financial accounting, these three areas this year they were having almost equal strength. Okay, equal. The next area is the auditing. In the auditing, the first question they asked about the accounts audit of the non-profit organization. Easy question था, 16 में आया था पहले, and this question is available on the page number 54 of the study material of the Diademy IAS. Okay. Next question is about the audit and investigation, right? This question, 15 marker, easy question, 2019 question, this was there, and we also asked the similar question, the difference from the auditing and the investigation, and also in what circumstances the government can order the investigation. In the mains test series sectional test 4, we asked this question, and here in this UPSC, they asked about the procedure for investigation as well as the audit and the investigation difference. So this is the level of closeness between the test series and the mains exam. This is not a coincidence, this is a very intelligent guessing that comes from the experience and reflected in the exam paper. Financial management, okay? Okay. Financial management. This question was about the financial indifference point, EBT, EPS analysis. 10 marker question, easy question, and this question we can trace back to Diademy study material. Even in the sectional test, we asked the question on trading on equity. Okay, so even though trading on equity is not exactly indifference point, but there is a lot of overlapping. Someone who is writing about trading of equity, that person must know about the difference point. Okay, this question we asked on the main test series. Next question, what is meant by capital structure, and discuss the major determinants of the capital structure. This question is of 10 marker, easy question, and again repeated theme, 2021, 2007, and this question we asked in the mains 2023 test series. State the various problems that are involved in planning the capital structure. Okay, see, in the test series we took only 8 sectional tests and 4 full length tests. That means we can say approximately 8 full length tests. Out of those many tests only, these questions are repeating. So if the test series is crafted in the right manner, then definitely good marks can come in the exam. Okay. Next is about the theory of merger, corporate restructuring. This question can be answered from the page number 244 of the Diademy IAS study material. Okay, the merger and the various types of merger. Next question is about the replacement decision, the numerical question. Again, this question can be found in many previous years, and in our study material also we can find the illustration number 9 on the page number 120. Right? I am giving you the page number also so that you can trace back. Okay? And definitely the answer to all the previous year questions are available in our previous year question solution booklet. So we are also providing the solution of the last 45 years printed in the printed format. So definitely if you are solving all these questions and comparing your answer, then you find an easy way to crack the exam. Next is about the working capital requirement forecasting. 15 marker question, easy question. In our test series, we asked the question in the test number 1 of full length test series, right? In the full length test number 1, and this question was on the same theme, that is the estimation of working capital requirement. Next question is about the calculation of ratios from the given balances, right? 20 marker question, moderate, repeated from 2017. Illustration number 9 from the study material, page number 84, this can be found. Next question was about what is the importance of funds flow statement and how it is different from the cash flow statement. Okay, 15 marker, easy question, repeated from 1981-82, and in our test series we asked this, the meaning and the importance. Okay, so definitely in the full length test number 1 we can find this question. Then comes the next question, the debtors management, the optimum credit policy. So this was a numerical question, 20 marker, hard, not read in the conceptual term but in the length. This was a bit lengthy question, right? And this was repeated from the 2018. So we can find so many questions from the 2018, right? So Diademy mains test series, question number 6B, full length test number 3, it had the question on the credit policy. So if you practice this question, automatically this concept is clear and you can attempt the paper with a flying color. Okay. Next is the question on the Walters model. Numerical question, 15 marker, very, very easy question, repeated from 2018. And our mains test series had the question in the test number 3, the numericals on the Walters model, calculation of the optimum price, optimum payout ratio. Okay. So financial management carries very, very high weightage, 135 marks. Okay. So definitely financial management is something which is your most important area in the paper 1. Again, we can trace back the source of most of the questions from our test series. Next comes the financial markets and the institutions. First question is about the objectives of monetary policy. Very basic question, 10 marker, easy, repeated, and this can be found in the page number 49 of the Diadem IAS study material. Next is, what is capital markets? Discuss the role of capital market in the economic development. This was very expected question because, you know, see, this question and this question, they remain mostly in newspaper. Okay. So current affairs, they are not asking the question directly from current affairs, but if something is in the news, you should also prepare the static part of that news. Okay. This question repeated from the previous year again, and we had in the full length test number 1, we had the question on capital market instruments, and in the page number 75 of the material, you can find the meaning and the role of the capital market. Okay. Next is the question number 6C, that is what is mutual fund? Discuss the various types of mutual funds. Here, again, this was a 15 marker easy question repeated from 2019 theme, and this answer is available on the page number 103 of the Diadem IAS study material. Next question is about the credit rating, objectives, functions, and limitations. 15 marker, easy, repeated from 1620, and this question we asked, objectives, limitations, we asked this question in the test series, in the full length test number 1 of the mains 23 test series. Okay. So I'm really feeling very, very proud that our students were very, very happy. They were feeling as if they are writing the Diadem IAS test in the exam, because questions are directly coming from the Diadem IAS test series. Again, it is intelligent guessing. It is not a magic. I am not an astrologer, and we should also believe in the past year trend. We should prepare with the logic. Okay. Next question is, what is the venture capital? Explain the functions of venture capital and also discuss the various stages of venture capital financing. This question is 15 marker, moderate level, again repeated, and we ask the question how the venture capital is different from the traditional financing and what are the different types of capital, venture capital funds in the full length test. Okay. So we can find so many questions. Now again, this financial markets is also having the strength of 65 marks. Okay. Now if we analyze in short, we can say the weightage of subject-wise, okay, subject-wise weightage, if we say financial accounts, costing, taxation, and financial markets, they had almost equal strength, okay, 55 to 65 marks, average 60 marks each of these. Okay. Then financial management, it had the maximum weightage, 135 marks, and audit, it has the minimum weightage, 25 marks. Okay. So we have to give the equal importance to all these subjects, and most high importance to the financial management and least importance to the auditing. Okay. You can find more guidance on our Telegram channel. The link has been given in the description box of this video. Okay. In the Telegram channel, we keep posting, and this PDF will also be available in the Telegram channel. In the Telegram channel, we keep posting the latest current affairs. I keep posting more tips, and I will also provide the solutions of all the mains 2023 paper, all the questions I will discuss, and these will be available in the Telegram channel, right? So you can join it. If you are looking for joining some courses, if you are a sincere student and looking for the sincere guidance, then we have the foundation course. This foundation course is providing everything: study material, test series, mentorship, previous year solutions, and the proper structured course. Okay, this is available in the offline online format. Then we have mains 2024 test series. Again, this test series will be having new questions based upon the requirement of mains 2024 exam. Next is the mentorship cum answer writing course. This is for those people who want to go for the self-study. We are also providing the study material separately if you want to purchase and go for the self-study. And we are also providing 45 years past year solutions. As you can see, the questions are coming from the past year. So definitely this is going to be very important resource for your preparation. And also you can go book a free counseling, one-to-one free counseling, where I can guide you in your preparation. For booking any course or for knowing further or contacting me, you can call on this number. This is our official number, or you can visit our Delhi center. Our Delhi center is located in the old Rajendra Nagar, that is a hub of UPSC preparation. So call on this number and you can fix an appointment with me and you can meet me. Thank you very much. God bless you.